Is your name not Pius again?
Yeah. Yeah. Man, can I go premature death? Mind how you take shout my name for this house? I not be your mate. Which kind of nonsense be that one? Because they call me as if saying that your papa give me the name. You know kind? If you want to call my name, call me with respect. Not they call my name a Pius, power gone.
Pius, you have started again this morning. See, I don't have the time. I've told you several times that my name is Prewink and not Pre whatever you call it. Please go to the big parlor and get my phone.
Now me they talk to.
I said please, you should go to the big parlor and get my phone.
Me enter big parlor. Go get your phone for small girl like you. Small chickere mpamon. Make I enter, go bring your phone. See, make I tell you. I know they look face. Go ask of me, I get hot temper. The day I go take verse inside this house. Put my hand like this hotel. Now like this you go become. I dey be small children. In fact, I go verse. If I verse, now so I go take one left hand hotel. Lift you up hotel. What I get no take a felele ball. Get down la tom tom. Stupid thing. I go beat you like small children. Now so I go take small picking. I dey fight for them. Small picking. Small anybody will touch them.
Pius.
Sir.
What did I hear you say?
Sir?
Oh, you're bitter.
Me.
I said beat her. Did you not say you want to beat her? Beat her. I want you to beat her in my presence. Beat her.
Okay, no fit try that kind of thing.
Oh, really?
Who gave me power? He didn't give it by the king.
Pius.
Sir?
Pius.
Yes.
What did you tell him to do for you?
I just asked him to go to the big parlor and get my phone.
What are you waiting for?
Which color phone?
Pius, just get inside the parlor and get me my phone. Any phone you see there, bring it for me.
Fool.
Honestly, you guys are really trying. You are trying. Ha! I can't take this, so.
My dear, this is a process of solving unemployment issues. Because if you don't employ them, they will be out there and be constituting nuisance. So the best way is employ them. They can be... What's this?
Pius!
No, what's this? Phone.
Oh my goodness. I said I should get inside and get my black phone. My handset for crying out loud.
You mean ask you here, now you say any phone. Now you don't turn on black. Phone or charity mbola. Like this thing will make me know they like go message for people who no get sense.
Are you stupid?
Yes, sir.
You're still disrespecting her?
Yes, ma'am.
Idiot.
Yes, ma'am.
What phone did you tell him to bring?
My black phone.
Now get to it now before I change my mind.
Hey, God. Hey, Jesus.
You see, the truth is that these people have a way of curing BP. You understand? With this their stupidity, with time they will change. But sometimes when you look at them, you just laugh away your sorrows. You understand? You see, though mom is actually doing this because of God. You understand? If not, they will all find their way out of this compound. No right thinking person will employ such people in this compound.
Not at all.
You understand? So you're on your own. Manage them. Please.
Hey, this one is better than Z1.
All right. Hey. Respect yourself. Now you will give that phone to her politely. No disrespect. Now do that. No. You don't do that in my presence. Give that phone back. Good. Give it to her politely. Politely, I say. Give it to her. Now.
Politely, I said.
You break my finger.
Is something wrong with you?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to lose your job?
Yes, ma'am.
Now give it to her again. Give it back to her. Give it to her politely. For the last time. Fool.
Yes, ma'am.
That will be the last time you will disrespect anybody, no matter the size, in this house. You hear me? Can you hear me? Now get out of this place. Now! No, you come here. Come here. Take this. Go and wash it and bring it back to me. Now. Pious! Yes, ma'am.
Hey. Oh, Chineke, I don't suffer for this also. I don't suffer for this also. Let me see the blood here to come through. When I want to meet boy, I'm sorry, woman give you clothes, may you watch it. Go carry won't give me. Very soon, what this monkey go so carry handkerchief. Now we be like clothes. Come, actually, you carry your work. Come close to me.
Pious.
They love me, Abi.
Wait, so are you crying or what? Pious! Sounds you're crying like a baby. Adult baby. Cry, cry, baby. You want to see your mommy. Share. You guys are not giving this also. Oh my goodness. What? Pious!
Now you don't speak this Igbo nana.
Yes, of course. I'm people person now. I'm not in.
Hey! You can't speak all this big grammar. I believe that they deceive yourself.
No, Carol. It's not deceiving. It's someone being educated. Carol, well, you know, you are beautifully endowed. I want to let me tell you. I want me and you to the round package like my cousin Derek. You know now, I want to paint you. In fact, I want to change your lifestyle. I want to elaborate. I want to make you a good person. I will change your color. I will change everything. We will do everything. I will change it.
Wait, you want to make me and you the wrong package?
Yes.
Like you're me, baby. I resemble this at your way in the carnival house.
Not like that. Not like that. See, don't you like how my cousin Lizzie? Don't you like it? See, I want you to be like that. I want to package you. I want to do you well. I want you to have it. You have it. No, think about it.
You never tell me say you been there before. You never even tell me. Wait to vote. As you can see, I dey cook. And I won't focus in total for this food why they cook.
Wow. Do you know what? I know you can learn easily. Yeah, you can learn easily. What will happen? I'll allow you to do your home chores. When you are done, cook your home chores. We have many things to discuss. We discuss many things after. Come on, you are pretty. Look me up in my room.
Hook you up again.
Don't forget.
Child, this speaking no get respect at all. You don't even check my size, my height. Maybe Carol can hook you up. I'm not doing you. I continue my book.
These guys are just something else. Well, I tried everything I can, but it didn't work out. I decided to seek elsewhere and do other things for myself.
This is very serious. But Derek, seriously, these guys are messing up in this house.
Well?
Especially that pious of a man. You shouldn't have given him the phone in the first place. Eh?
My brother, it's okay. Always know how to deal with them.
But it's fine. Derek. If you my guy, you're supposed to understand why they hail you like this. Derek, Alpha.
Yes, you know, once you start talking like this, there's something I missed. What is it? Say
Give
it,
me
say
updates.
it.
Give me updates. What's up? How far with our new catch?
You mean that girl up there?
Yes.
She's in my room, enjoying herself.
I see.
Yes. You see that girl? She's going to be here. As a matter of fact, I will keep her till my mom returns. Till when my mom will be returning, she'll be here with me.
Derek. No, wait. You see another person for here. It's just you and I. I'm your guy. I know every. So why are you lying to me?
Lie about what?
Derek, you and I know that you of all people cannot keep a girl for this long till your mom returns. You. What do you want me now, guy?
James, one thing that is constant in life is change. They say, man, no, they chop one particular soup for a very long time. But this one, fisherman soup. That girl is sweet! You see that girl? They say, man, no, they finish, they chop girl finish. But me, I go chop this one, I go finish her.
You.
Oh, yes.
This is serious.
It is serious.
What's so special about the girl? Wait, till she give you chop.
Hey! James.
Yes.
You see that girl? The ringtone alone is something else.
Are you serious?
I swear.
How?
It gives me the vibe, takes me to cloud 9, where I'm supposed to be. You see that girl?
Yes.
If I take her to the studio, the release for 1 year, constant EP, Flavor the Land.
Are you serious?
Oh God. She takes me to another level. That is on a steady. No jump cuts.
This is serious.
Yes, so that guy you see, fire. Strong fire. That girl.
Hey!
Hey!
No be small fire oh. That girl na fire. Ha! Oga, I no know say be prayer warrior. When I dey sweep the corridor, you need to hear that girl ringing tone. All this early morning mass. Hosanna! I carry hand up for you. Okay, you too much. Double tuari for you, sir. Double tuari.
What's that your name again?
Carolina, sir.
Get out.
My hand still up, sir.
Get your fat self out of this place now!
My hand still up.
Get out now! You see what I'm talking about? You see what I've been complaining in this house? Eh?
Okay.
These people will put you into a big mess.
I know what to do.
Hey, Derek.
Can you imagine?
Hey, what gods? What gods?
Okay? I see my God ask whether you go eat food on the dew. Food.
Can you imagine? You can see that?
It's just
You're
too
seeing it
much.
now?
No. I can't take this in my hands. I can't take this.
No problem.
Derek, you said that girl is fire, right?
My brother, you see that girl upstairs? She's on a different level.
Fine. It's not, you know, what are friends for? You be my guy. And we've shared many things in common.
Yeah.
See, I would want to have a taste of that fire. I don't know whether it's possible. Make the girl reach my side, man, I feel the fire. You understand?
Starting when?
The fire.
James.
Yes.
Let me remind you. I don't joke with my girls. Drink up. You know we have somewhere to go. So drink up. Let me go in, take one for the road, then freshen up and come out and meet you. Take one for the road, then we'll go out.
You don't really get Matana, you don't forget your guy. I'm your blood though. Your blood. Fire. Hey.
Nana, I no say you hate me. Nana, I no say you follow the hate me. This is your bottom of heart. Just look at me, small picking like me. Eh? When I tell you, when I enter this, I say my mama die on time, my papa die, my mama died. Only me train myself by myself with myself and into myself alone. Nobody put a hand. Now I don't get work. Can't get deployment inside this man's house. Hungry, see they catch me. Even if God come from heaven, tell you, say, Caro, you say, yes, oh my Lord, your servant is listening. Say, make you not give pious food. When you know, say, me and food now like this. I know they use food play. They say, hungry, nearly finish me. When I dey small. Now you see, come here, come they starve me. Come they starve me. Your wickedness, Makachineke, you are ubi progonko. Even if the person tell you, for dream or anywhere, tell you, say, no give me food. You know, feel pity, take it indirect. Use back, use konokana. You feel even tired, put inside this place. Come where I dey, come empty am. I go manage am. Because he didn't know about you did in the young. If you become president of this country, now some people go wait under you, go just die. Your wickedness, you are heartless.
Oh. Atoro. See, I tell you. Now instruct where people will get this house give me, now they follow. Now instruct where they give me, now they follow. I don't want to lose my work at all. I don't want to lose my work, oh. Eh? Because of food, they make you there, the young grandma up and down. Eh? I want to see my better, they make you call me. I come there, they waste my precious time. What's supposed to the kitchen now? No what they do. See my way for this house, oh. No coming for this kind rubbish again. No, they won't check. You know they cry.
No one no go cry. Where no go cry? Eh? And the man for them back.
Pam. Papalistic. Our little pigeons say make you conquer and go market.
Thunder fire you, fire that your little pigeon. Thunder fire you there, fire your house pigeon, fire your house where Russia. No be able to carry and go market. That motor where I go to use carry and go market. Fuel no them. They know they put fuel for a motor. The motor where go drive the motor where they inside the motor. Me myself, what they call me? I be Jackie. I be God where make me. He make me say make I drive empty tank. Eh? You people where build that motor. They build and say if fuel finish inside. Make motor quench. My own fuel don't finish. I don't quench. Who know this? I don't quench. Go carry pigeon go market. No be only pigeon. I go come carry okwa. Wait oh. Who be the madam say for say make I come carry?
The small stout bottle. She dey wait for you pass side.
She tell you get mind. Okpo. They told you to come and told me to come and carry them to the market. I no go blame una. Go call him, I go carry and come out. I want to be here, I carry and come out. Mosquito go come and win, I go carry and come out. But nobody go fight, say, this man when they carry around. What about his stomach? I know they use my belly play. My papa don't die, my mama don't die.
Pious, leave grandma, go carry small pigeon, go market you. My hand, you know, I don't want to lose my work. Oh. There they speak grandma.
No be only small pigeon. I will go carry your grandma, go mortuary. I may go mortuary. When I don't see Jackie, go clean your I go carry and drop am. Oba cho tell him polade. After go peace. I go carry and go come out. Come back and drop am. Una go try one happy one. Come on, I can't jack me. I'm not going anywhere. I am, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to carry me for one.